Good morning, everybody. Pro Trader Mike, founder of the MOJO Day Trading. Hope everyone had a wonderful weekend. Looking for an amazing trading day today because that's what we do every single day. Happy Monday. Good weekend. We had some golf action on TV. It was nice. So we have a YCBD swing pick, which was picked on last Sunday's newsletter. At 95 cents, is up 60% this morning to $1.55, everybody. Good morning. What else we got in here? Brad Frogger in the room. Let's see here. Batman, Brown, Collins, Oliver, Petrus, Rhett and Johan, Slate, Morning. That's the thing. SRNE, the TradeX platform, guys, is not meant to trade YCBD. SRNE. You buy 1,000 shares 5 times, unless you're going to make 30 cents on it per trade. You can't trade on the TradeX platform. So if you're not gonna make 30 cents on it, don't trade it. That's all I gotta say. So otherwise the commissions will be too big for you. It's not that kind of platform. Some people have had problem buying too many shares of these little ones. It doesn't work. So let's head over to the main screen and see what's hot this morning. What we got going on besides SRNE. Picked it at 8:55 earlier this morning to go through. Went right here. Let's check it out. $18 Premarket. So right here it made a move around 8:50. And now it's 9:30. I traded 17 million. On Friday I traded 507 million shares. A lot of volume. So let's see what's hot this morning, peoples. Nice to have the number one gainer on the list as your swing pick. Nice to have the number one gainer on the NASDAQ as your swing pick on what everyone's looking at, which is YCBD. So let me show you YCBD. Right here. So YCBD was a swing newsletter pick you could see right here on 5/10 Sunday evening, which was last Sunday. I sent out 7 new picks last night. If you want to get those picks, they're still going to do good. One of them is SRNE. So at least, I gave you that one in there when it goes up huge today. And you can join there at MOJODayTrading.com. I got a 30% off combo pack special, so you get both services. 30% off, and you get the MOJO Day Trading course. You would have gotten this pick at 95 cents. And the stock is the number one gainer on the NASDAQ this morning. You could see the last 4 quarters of earnings. They did 999%, 999%, 999%, 999%. Insider buying. Increased earnings estimates for 2 years, and we were playing the earnings that were coming out. What do you think the earnings were going to do? Earnings were amazing. They blew away. Look, they did 5 million. They did 8 million. You could see their earnings. They did 5.7. They did 8. They did 8.7, and then they did 10. What do you think the next quarter is going to be? Duh! Analysts increasing estimates next quarter. 9.4 million, a 72% increase over net sales from the year earlier. There you go. Beauty. So, oh yeah, stock futures. Let's take a look at the futures. Futures are up 743 points. Holy shit. Wow. Futures are up 700 points. Holy crap. That's a lot. It's a lot. Wow. That's a lot. So we also have Moderna. I sold it too early. So this is one of the statements where you sell a little too early, folks. NVAX, Moderna. Ay, ay, ay. So I had both of these in the swing trade newsletter. I just sold them because I wanted to get 100%. Some people have options on them too. So right here, if you look down on here on the bottom, Moderna, I have it at $32.55. I sold it at $65 for a 100% gain. Remember that day. On 5/13, everything adjusted down that day. So I'm like, dude, profit time. So that one from 32 is big winner today. And NVAX too. NDVAX. NVAX is 49 from 6. Let's see here, daily, 3 months. So the stock was right down here at $7 a share. 7. This is $7 down here. Now the stock is 50. Yeah, that's where I had that baby. And Moderna, mRNA, is 88. Look at it, 88. Amazing. How did the 32? Right here. Right here. That was the break. Sold it here. Now it's up here. Isn't that unbelievable? That's what's going to happen to Bitcoin. You think this thing's good? Watch, Bitcoin's going to do the same thing. Look, here's Bitcoin. I had it right here. This is 10,000. Bitcoin right here, 40,000. Or 50. And then the next day, it's 150,000. Exactly like that. Boom, boom, boom. And all of a sudden, Moderna, you ain't buying it for $25 anymore. You ain't. You're buying it for $100 now. Unbelievable. Nice. Welcome, DG777. Rolling the dice in the Mojo room. Couple of new traders in the room. Trader Collins is new. Oliver, no. So yeah, Slate, you gotta buy some higher price stocks like Moderna, making 50 cents on 100, 200 shares, 300 shares. That's what this platform's good for, because the commissions are tiny there. And if you're wrong, you reprice, which is fine. And if you're right, you can ride it out for $1. You're wrong, you can ride it out for 40-cent loss. Lose $40 at the most, $50 at the most. Don't write it down for $3. And you buy 100, 200 shares. That's the play right there. So that's how you use the platform, guys. Guild may work today. Guild-A-Bear. Let's see what else is on my list. CHK, $13. Chesapeake Energy. My Aurora Cannabis. Again on the list of gainers. Look at it. I'm up 100% now. It's $14.20. This was in last week's newsletter too. So here's the newsletter, guys. If you would have gotten this newsletter, here's your pick. And I got the ACB pre-split. So here is the newsletter. And this one's going to do good too. Well, they're all going to do good. ACB at 67 cents. ACB at 67 cents. See it? Aurora Cannabis. That's a split of 670. Got it in the swing at $7.25 right here. ACB at $7.25. See that? Got some others that haven't started, that are all down, that should bounce up and do. This one's up. Here's the YCBD. See, look, as a prime example, 97 cents. It was down. It was up 4%. Now it's up 60. So it doesn't matter that these things are down 6%, 5%. When they go up huge. Look at this Aurora Cannabis up 100% now. 100%. Does it have options? Maybe we won't sell it. Maybe we'll sell some covered calls. Let's check it out. I'll hold half of that forever. Just like the other two weeders. Yep, it's got options. Come on, ACB. Yes, it's got options, dudes. So we're going to go out to May 29th. And the stock's at 14. No, you can't. The last strike price 11. Got to go out to June. Can't. They haven't even adjusted them yet. Haven't even gone that high. Wow. Look how amazing that is. Here you go. You can go out to June 19th. And you can go the 15s. Will be like a huge, dude. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to move it to a right here. With the rest of the covered calls. And take out Aurora Cannabis at $7. And put in the ACB covered call. So this will be the June 19th. So this will be the ACB $15 strike. Covered call expires 6/19. Today's date's the 18th. ACB. Oh, that's going to be a big premium. That's going to be a nice premium later today. They came out with amazing earnings too. Amazing earnings on that action. What else is going on? Don't trade small stocks, even if you can make correct. Because you're buying too many shares. And it's not predictable. It's a craps table. It's not a positive expectancy poker table hand that you can do on a nice Beyond or any kind of bigger stock like I was just talking to you about. That will trade today, like a CCL. 500 shares. Don't go 1,000 shares because then you're starting to go into the higher commish. You got to trade higher stocks. NVAX, mRNA. SRNE is alright because it's $9. 500 shares to make 100, 150 to lose 50, 75. That's what you got to do. Make 50 to 75, lose 25 to 50. Make 100 to 150, lose 50 to 75. And be right out of 5 times 3 and you're done for the day. Be right out of 10 times 7, you're right, done for the day. 6, it's a no-brainer. All right, guys, so we got some really, really good ones this morning. We got some good ones. What else is we got? We got a couple also on the list. I have one that's coming out. I'll share it. It's one of my favorite swing picks. I'll elaborate on it. It's drop car at 104 by 105. I put it out in this week's Swing Trade newsletter. The reason why, let me explain what I think and my foresight thinking. So everybody goes by technicals and this and that. And let me show you my pick. Okay, it's called drop car right here. So drop car I put out because they design and develop a cloud-based platform for a mobile app that provides logistics and concierge services. So let's say you want a car and a parking spot in New York City. You rent out this thing and they come and rent you your space and it's all in the app and it's nice. I looked at the website last night. Right here. I'll show you. I just was on the website. Drop car. So right here, this is what they do. Save by monthly parking. And they got this real nice technology. And they partner with top parking providers to get you access to the best garages and the best rates via their mobile app. And you could see all the rates. And they're getting a vig on all this and how it works. And that beautiful technology, right? Download the Drop Car mobile app in the Google Play or App Store. Visit the monthly garages to find out and reserve a space for now and use your space, or have a valet pick up your car, or even bring it to your front door. Download the app right there in the consumer and the you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Affordable, easy pickup and delivery for your drivers and stuff of the vehicles. You know what I'm saying? So what am I saying? Why do I love this pick right here? Why? How does Mojo think? Anybody know about that one? Why? Why? I wonder why. NVAC's got room for hundreds. Yeah, if you think so. What are you, an analyst, Jordley? Jeez. That's pretty good. You should get hired by Wall Street for that. In the room, there's no screen share? Yeah, there is. Screen share is working in the room. A new trend? No. It'll push through the whole number? No. Hi, Joyce. Welcome. No. Nope. Because they deliver concierge services. So let's say they use the app and the technology to develop a concierge service that could deliver anything to you like a real concierge does. A concierge, you want anything, you call them, they bring it to you, done. And you pay for that. And it could be on the app. It could be food. It could be drugs. It could be anything. Anything. That's what a concierge does. And they'll bring it to you. And you'll pay for it. And you can get it on the app. And they'll have multiple categories. And the stock will probably, on that technology, shoot up and be a $10 stock. And right now it's $1. Isn't that unbelievable? That's how I think. Drop everything. I'll drop you off anything you want. Absolutely. So I got a couple of them that are on the list, dude. On the gainers list. Got another one on my gainers list that traded 1.3 million. That's on my swing picks this morning on the gainers list. So I got one, which is the number one gainer. I got two. I got three. I got four. Four picks, guys, that everyone's looking at on the Trade Ideas scanner that I have already picked. That is sick and nice, dude. That's nice. SRNE's headed there at 10 now. See it, guys? Just made a beautiful move. See that SRNE? That's the 300, 500 share move right there. Just made a huge pop right there, right through mini Heinz 50. It just jumped 40 cents. It's going to Heinz 10. There it goes. Amazing. Love it. Look at that stock. That's a beauty. 20 million. How much you think it's going to trade today? It's traded 20 million. It's 912. Friday it traded 507 billion 507 million shares. It traded. Isn't that unbelievable? You got to say wow when that happens, right? All right, so if they trap everybody here at 990, 995, maybe 975, stopping station, what's it dip down? Was it 910? Yeah, it ain't going to go down. It's going to go through. They're going to suck it one more time and then bring it back up. All right, what else is going on? Where's the best place to buy after hours? Would have been nice to get in yesterday when the swing picks went out. Markets are closed on the weekends, Ace. Is it? I could do this, reset the screen share. I could reset that. So yeah, that's what's happening today, guys. We got a whole list of great stocks. Waiting for the password to what? I don't know what you're waiting for the password for. I'm not a mind reader. Here's 10. Heinz. You're waiting for a password for TradeX for what? And there's 10. You renewed, is that you? Let's see. I don't know. No customer service now, 15 minutes before the market. If you didn't handle things, when you should have, there's nothing that I can do right now. I can't reset up demos and give passwords out right now, guys. But I can after trading. There's 10. Come on, baby. Rip it. There you go. Rip it on the ask at 10:09 selling. Right now. There it is. Selling. Right here. Nice. Sold. On the ask. On the ask. Come on. Take more. Sold. 10:09. Nice. First one. Nice. $10.14's next. Come on, baby. Got the 10:09. Done. Great job. 10:09. Whew. So swings are all set up. Yeah, passwords change when the demos expire after 30 days. Good trading already. There's going to be some good action today, guys, in the MOJO Day Trade room. Moderna's 87, making a little move up right now. Where was that? Was it to 93 already this morning? Moderna. All right, so we got some good ones. A lot of our swings are on the gainers list, which we love. So all the other rooms could jump up our stocks in the morning. Thank you, Trade Ideas, and all the other retail rooms are going to jump up our stocks. We're going to sell into you this morning. Appreciate that very, very much. In order to do that, you have to be a member of the MOJO Day Trading team in the room. So when everyone else is buy, MOJO's selling into that. When everyone else is selling, MOJO's reevaluating, getting a good price, and waiting for the first green bar bounce up and going to nail that sucker on half size. That's how we trade, on the way up and on the way down. Two different styles, like going uphill and going downhill. When you're going downhill, you got to apply the brake a little bit. You don't want to go too fast and fly off the road. When you're going uphill, you got to give it a little bit more gas to get up the steep. No brake on the uphill. No gas on the downhill. It's an easy system. Yeah, you're waiting to pay. I already sent you that, Partridge. Look, I replied back to your email, I do believe, with the... Yeah, I sure did. You guys got to check that email. And I don't even know you have your email to do it, so... There we go. Just send it again. I sent yours too, Rocky. Good morning, Hunt. Good morning. And you got to do things from now on, customer service-wise, not 5 minutes to 10 minutes before the market opens. Because then you're taken away from everybody else. And if I already hadn't done the scan, I wouldn't even have done it. All right, here's 51 stopping station. New next trade right here. 951 to 55, half size entry. We're already trading, guys. Right here, 951 to 55, half size entry done right here. SRNE. We traded this one all day on Friday. We knew we were gonna do it again today. Here we go, making a dime. So that's why you can't trade this really on the. You need 20 and 30 cents, guys, not dimes. Here we go, 965, sell, 966, sell, 964, sell. Good job, guys. That's us right there selling. Now we have a box between 51 and 69. I'll keep on raising the trail. 974 now, box. 951 to 74. Beautiful. That's what's happening in the MOJO Day Trade room. In order to get involved with that, go ahead and join, guys. I'm ending the MOJO Day Trading show on YouTube and out there on social media. Got to get really prepared for this action here today on this stock. We're going to make probably collective between 73 people. Average will be around maybe average $1,300, I'd say, for the day, times 70. Be around $91,000, $100,000 in profits that are going to be made in the MOJO Day Trading room today. So with that said, guys, you got to love that. 984 now. Could be flat here. We're going to rebuy at Hines. 980 to 84, be flat. We'll rebuy it again. Be flat for the next trade. right here. Great job. Good start. Good start of the day right there. And that's how we do it, guys. So very nice. Thank you. And I'll probably see you this afternoon, show you how we finished and if we accomplished that goal. And maybe I said, damn, I hope I didn't sell too early. We want you guys. Come on. After this show, there'll be 2 other videos that pop up. Be my pleasure for you to watch those videos, how we've traded in the past, how I've done everything day by day exactly the same. When you're a scratch golfer, you shoot the same great score every day. When you're a great trader, scratch, you make the same great trades that you do every day. So guys out there, see you later. Probably see you this afternoon. And yeah, KTOV, good luck with that one today. And good luck with everything else. We're already on the rock and roll bandwagon. So peace, guys. See you this afternoon.